Alright then, let's talk about the two winning trades that I took yesterday then. This one was 4R, this one was 2R, 3R maybe if you were lucky. But as we could see, this is my strategy. Very, very simple. Got it all marked out for you here. First thing is I identify my liquidity. So what am I looking to target? We've got this data low here. This was a news wick. As you can see, a bit of chopping around here. We come up, we sweep this high. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a sweep. I'm looking for something that I can target. I'm looking for a good reaction. I take an inverted fair value gap. 3 candle pattern V shape is usually what I look for. This one here, as you can see, was 4. This one here. It took a little while to play out, but I still thought this was good. It's actually 5, isn't it? As you can see, we obviously come back up, hold the gap, and then I'm really just looking to target 1R. I actually scaled some here at this low because I didn't know whether we'd go back, but my runner eventually came and targeted my liquidity I was looking to hit, which was this order here. There's loads and loads of orders down here, as we know, obvious liquidity to target. I thought this was a really good trade, and it did work out eventually, although it took a little while. On the 1 minute here, we did almost come back and break even, a bit choppy, but eventually got there. And then we came into open here. We pumped up at open, as you can see, we came back down and re-swept the low, and then after that I was looking for another trade potentially. As you can see, this was another good trade. We've got this really obvious low down here. We swept this. We pumped up at open, but we came back down again. As you can see, this 930 area candle got swept. And then what do we have here on the 2 minute time frame? What have we got? We've swept liquidity of the session. We've created this 2 minute. We get a 4 candle pattern V shape, which still isn't as good, but still good enough. As you can see, this is good momentum after sweeping the low, so I was going to take this every single time. What have we got? I enter on the inverse here. I'm risking about $200 per trade. My stop loss, a manual close, about halfway between the gap and the low here. And as you can see, really, really good. Follow through, we come up to here, where I hit the 1R, scale some at that high, and then I'm just trailing. I think I trailed to about 2.5R or something. And then we got a big bearish reaction again there, and I was done for the day. Really, really simple stuff. This is not rocket science, guys. I'll show you a few more examples of some trades I took recently. There is actually potentially a 5 minute long here up towards this data high, which you could take, although it's very high in premium right now. You can see there's something like this. This would be your idea. There's still this really obvious wick high here that we could target for longs. But anyway, there's a trade that I took last week that I think is the most obvious example of a good trade that you could take, really. Look at this. Where is my... Actually, let me go back, because I want to make sure that I have my... Come back to me, baby. Come back to me. Where's my thing? There it is. So let's copy that. Remove. Copy. What we're looking for? Friday. Thursday. Where's Thursday? 5 minute. Thursday. What we're looking for? What we're looking for on a trade? Looking for a sweep of liquidity. I'm identifying my liquidity. Here's my liquidity that I want to target. This obvious trend line. I was trying to target this trend line all damn day. Really, really obvious area to target, in my opinion, as you can see here. We get the sweep. We've got a 3 candle pattern V shape on the 5 minute here. And we've got my target above that I'm looking to attack. And then, as you can see, this all worked out. 3 candle pattern V shape, entered on the inverse. Scaled some at 1R. And then we came up, I scaled some at the high. And then I held a runner, and it basically went all the way up for about a 4 or a 5R. Really, really simple stuff, guys. This does not have to be rocket science. This is how I trade. And I might have to get off, actually. Oh my god. What did I just do? I might have to go off and take this trade if it does inverse. It looks like it's not going to inverse here. But basically, you get the idea. It's a very, very simple way of trading. And I've been getting so much success over the past few years. Over 100k of payouts. Tons and tons and tons of good wins. 80% win rate or something. All I do is I just wait for these lows. Set alerts at them. And then take trades from them. It's really that simple, guys. As always, I do appreciate you watching. I'm just going to leave this one really short and sweet, because why would I drag it out? If you do want to get education, alerts, signals, and for all the trades that I take, link is in the description. Join the community. It is growing very fast, and I'm enjoying interacting with everybody in there. Like and subscribe and all that, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.